Hi all, I wanted to talk to you about this Lasko oscillating heater with the remote control. But first, I would like to tell you a helpful hint that will probably save you from waking up in a pool of sweat. When you turn the device on, every time you turn it on, you press the power button, whether on the remote or the device. You need to press the down or the up thermostat button to trigger the thermostat. Otherwise it'll just keep running and running and running until you wake up in a pool of sweat or have a heat stroke. Then, after that, you can start enjoying the wonderful features of it, such as the oscillation, which is really nice. You can adjust how high or low the temperature is. Which just makes it hot air or warm air coming out. I guess obviously the hotter one will make the room heat up faster. And turning off the oscillation, and then there's also this wonderful timer so you can save electricity. After you fall asleep, you can have the place become freezing and then save money. Other than that, that's pretty much all. The wonderful remote control is definitely the selling point for me. It's very tall. It's a very tall device. And it definitely stays in its corner nicely. It's quiet, very quiet. It's like, as you could hear it. It's not loud at all. It's on par with most of the other ones. The fan, the breeze. It's pretty nice. How it comes out. It's definitely not a summer fan, but it comes out fast enough to the point where it cools down a medium-sized room pretty nicely. And the cord is relatively long, so you don't really need an extension cord. It'll reach pretty far. And other than that, this under $50 price is definitely better than Walmart for their crappier ones, because they're about $40 at Walmart for the model below this that doesn't include this nice remote control, and there's no sales tax, at least for me, on Amazon. So you just can't go wrong with this device. It's a great value, and I recommend it because it's just so affordable on Amazon, and it's a wonderful thing because the remote control is so convenient when you're laying in bed. You want it warmer or colder and you just don't have to get up. And when you turn it off, this light up here will disappear, but this mild one will stay on, and it's not bright at all. I guess if you hate it, you can put a tape over that. I don't know where the IR sensor is, but other than that, highly recommend it.